How to hire a web developer. The timeline. What is the process involved with hiring a web developer? What can you expect? What should you do first, and what do you do last? Web development projects can be as varied and different as the people handling those projects, but they often go through the same basic process. From idea to completed project, the following timeline gives you a good idea of what to expect the next time you have to hire a web developer. Decide what type of professional you need. Web designers, web developers, and graphic designers have different skill sets. You wouldn't expect a graphic designer to be able to write code, and not too many web developers are at the top of the talent pool where graphic design is concerned. Write down exactly what you need done, and then choose the corresponding type of web developer or designer. Write a job description or project scope. You can get fancy here or just scribble down a couple of lines. Whatever you do, be extremely detailed and clear and to the point. Include mock-ups, examples, a project timeline, and other expectations. Be very clear about what you want and what you don't want. Set a budget. Choose whether you're going to pay by the hour or if you're going to attach a flat fee to the finished project. Having some idea of what graphic designers, web developers, and website builders make is important in this step of the process. Post the job and interview applications. Are you advertising on Craigslist or Fiverr? Will you be using a freelance website like Freelancer or Upwork to find and hire your talent? Wherever you advertise, follow the process required to get your job posted and begin sorting through applicants. Hire a few of the better-suited developers. No doubt some of the developers who apply for the job are going to be better suited for the task than others. Check their testimonials and work samples. See if there's a rating system involved. Ask the top 2 to 4 developers if they wouldn't mind taking on a small paid test project before you hand them the job you're advertising for. Review the experience and results from the test project. If you're lucky, there'll be a clear-cut winner that stands head and shoulders above the competition. The communication, number of revisions, and the quality of the finished project will probably show one of your test candidates as superior to the rest. Arrange a Skype call, in-person meeting, or telephone call to discuss the original project. Discuss milestones and pay structure. If the job is not that involved, you're probably going to pay when you have been satisfied with the end product. For larger jobs, it's common to issue incremental payments as different levels of the job have been completed. Check on progress regularly. Don't wait until the entire job has been finished and handed to you to find out you and your developer are not on the same page. Review and talk about revisions along the way. Finally, when the project's been completed to your satisfaction, release a final payment and give your developer any feedback you may have.